They say you are what you eat. So today I'm going to make this loaf of bread a masterpiece. I made two faces. Step 1, the foundation. Forget the mayonnaise wars. Mustard, the glue that holds my trucking career together. Provolone, salami, and turkey. Protein on protein on protein, because out here lunch ain't just fuel, it's survival. And cheese. And the secret move. Hold on. Okay, you add the cheese, 20 slices of salami, cheese, then chips right inside the sandwich. Not on the side, on the inside. Chips inside, that's not a hack. There's generational wisdom. You don't put chips in your sandwich, I don't know what you're doing out there. That's how you eat chips with a sandwich. Oh yeah. 5-star truck stop dining right here. What's your go-to sandwich upgrade? Drop it. I might steal it. It's disgusting. I might not. Are you mayonnaise? Are you mustard? Are you what? You put ketchup on your sandwich?